English vocabulary quiz, confusing words in English. This quiz contains 15 questions that evaluate your understanding of confusing words in English. See how well you can differentiate between words that are often misused in everyday language. Are you ready? Let's get started. I went to the stationery store to buy a birthday card. I gained access to the room using a key. The company rejected their competitor's proposition for a buyout. The principal called a faculty meeting. For all intents and purposes, they're the same thing. The criminal managed to elude capture. Proper nouns begin with capital letters. I'm going to take my lunch break now. The actress has landed the biggest role of her career so far. We were prepared for the imminent arrival of the president. The interior designer thinks the new rug will complement the room nicely. I took a moment to pore over the contract. I go running as part of my everyday workout. The head of the armed forces declared martial law. The moral of the story is to be kind to others. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in our next videos.